Kiroko tene gavana Waititu aroka gwikirwo ngari thutha wa ukorwo ararite thero-ini cia kamiti ya kurwa na ngukumio bururi-ini imwe kwa imwe nginya igoti-ini ria Milimani. Mbere ya mucirithania Lawrence Mugambi, Waititu Mutumia wake Susan Wangari na angi anana aria mathitanganeirio nake kugera mawakiri yao mori igoti kurekio na bodi ihoya riria ritanatungio regani ni mwena wa thitango.
In fact, Mr. Governor Waititu, His Excellency, spends a lot of time at TSCC. It is like a home. It is a place where you can go anytime as required. It's a law-abiding government.
You should, Your Honor, be fair, make the said terms accessible, available, and not difficult, Your Honor, as to seem to have denied them there.
Mawakiri Tomo Jienda na Nelson Havi hado-ini ha ekwirwo the 10 magitongoria mawakiri a ekwirwo kuiguithia igoti uria ekwirwo aya matari agararaga cikaro cia igoti marekio na bodi.
Your Honor, it is our humble submission to reply that condition has not been founded upon any facts.
Ekwirwo aya aria ni 13 wongera kambuni cia Testimony Enterprises, Saika True Estate Developers na Beneview Hotel iria irakuruhanio na gavana Waititu mathitangitwo na mahitia mohuthiri moru wa wabici, uthambia wa mbeca, kwagarara mawatho moheani wa tenda, kwigwatira indo cia muingi mugaru na watho, kwaga guthingata watho woheani wa tenda makimenyaga, gukungia wara mitatara-ini ya uheani wa tenda na gwikuruhania na kindu gia gwikuirwo. Mucirithania Lawrence Mugambi akiuga itua ria kana ni akamarekia na bodi akarikinyaniria muthenya wa rucio thutha wa kurikia guthikiriria miena yeri. Maya magiuka riri nake uria wari murugamiri wa ruhonge rwa ukuria wa Kerio Valley David Kimosop arekereirio na bodi ya ciringi mirioni 12 ria gukinyitio igoti-ini hamwe na angi kenda aria mateneanite kuri DCI ngukumio-ini ya demu cia Haro na Kimwarer. Mucirithania Douglas Ogoti ari wo gutongoragia gwitika kwao gwa thitango na iria mareganire nacio.
Failed, refused and or neglected to present themselves before this court.
Omuthi kwa gwikinya kwa murugamiri mwene wa kambuni ya CMC Diravena ya Italy Paolo Poscelli igoti-ini ugiakiriria mwena wa thitango uria uririe igoti kuruta warandi ya gwikio ngono gwake. Utuku ugitheinie ekwirwo 10 ngukumio-ini ya Kiambu mekurara moko-ini ma kamiti ya kurwa na ungumania magitera ukamenya kana ni makarekio na bodi muthenya wa rucio. Hado-ini ha Kameme TV, njita kama wa Mwangi.